Good evening, students. I am Sheba Miss, your moral science teacher. Here, in this new lesson, we are learning about a virtue, how we should treat the other people. Daily, we are interacting with so many people. Sometimes that may be our family members, or sometimes that may be our friends or our neighbors, or to the teachers or to the other elders. We may be interacting daily. How we should interact with others? What is the proper way we should behave to others? We are learning in this lesson. Through a very good story, the lesson is explaining that virtue to us. Let us read the lesson. It is a good story. Mahadev called mother. It is time to eat. In daily, in our home, the same thing happen. When we play in our mother, in our house, our mother call us to eat. She found Mahadev playing outside the house with a friend. The other boy was a little older than Mahadev. In the picture you can see Mahadev is the small child and his friend is a little older than Mahadev. Then mother had a plate with a chapati on it. When she saw her son with a friend, she broke the chapati into two. His mother is also a well-mannered woman. That is why she is sharing the food to his friend. Then she broke the chapati into two. Here is one piece for you and the another for your friend, she said. Mahadev looked at the two pieces of chapati. One was bigger than the other. He gave the bigger one to his friend. He took the smaller one for himself. Mahadev took only the smaller piece and gave the bigger one to his friend. Here, mother was surprised. Even though mother didn't advise anything to him, he done a wonderful thing. That is why the mother became surprised. She took him aside and asked, "Why did you give him the bigger piece after returned home after playing enough?" Mother took him aside and asked, "Why did you give him the bigger piece?" Mahadev said, "He is older and bigger than I am. So I gave him the bigger piece. I am smaller. So I took the smaller piece. Besides, won't he feel bad if I give him the smaller piece?" The child is also thinking properly. That is, he thought about such thing. He is older. His friend is older than him, and he may feel bad if the Mahadev give him the smaller piece. He may feel bad. He may be hungry sometimes. So he gave the bigger piece to his friend. You see, the mother was happy. She knew that her son would always treat people fairly. Mother felt so proud about her son because she knew that her son would always treat people fairly. Mother divided the chapati because she is a very good woman. Then the child is also a good one. That is why he also thought about his friend is older and bigger than him. So we can understand that they are in a good family. Mother was happy. She knew that her son would always treat people fairly. When Mahadev grew up, he became a great judge. You will read about him in history when you are older. His name was Mahadev Govind Ranade. Mahadev Govind Ranade. He was in the judge in the Mumbai High Court. That Mahadev Govind Ranade. He he is well known because he treated people very fairly and he always took good judgment. That is why he is famous among people. People respected him and loved him because even though he was a when he was a very child, what happened we learned in the story. Even after growing enough, after grew up, he became judge. After that also he always judged everything very fairly, so that people respected him and loved him. He reached very high position also. Let us read and understand that part. Look here. When we think fairly, we do right thing. When we think fairly, then only we can do the right thing. All our actions are coming from our heart. After thinking only we are doing everything. If we think properly, when we do things, that also will become proper or good. Then this means that people as they should be. This means that we treat people as they should be treated. When we interact with people, we should give proper respect to each person. When we are unfair, we do wrong thing to others. We do not treat people as they should be. We do not treat people as they should be treated. Always be careful about that. We should think properly, then only we can do our actions properly. Then when you share your toys and other things with your brother or sister, it is a fair thing to do. At our home, sometimes we have to share our toys or food items or our bed with our brother or sister. When we do such things, we should behave properly. It is fair thing to do. If we do like that, sharing our things properly with your family members, that is a very good thing. It is fair thing to do. When you grab a chocolate that your brother too wanted, it is unfair. Sometimes our father or mother or some other family members may buy chocolate or other food items for us. We cannot, if that may be given to your sister or your brother, we cannot grab it. Grab എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ തട്ടിപ്പറിച്ച് നമുക്ക് എടുക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. Sometimes tell a lie about you. Someone tells a lie about to your uncle. Your uncle believes her and scolds you. He does not hear your side of the story. Your uncle is unfair to you. Sometimes elder members also may happen to do unfair things. If a quarrel between two children, they may not see both sides. They may not hear the both sides and they may take wrong judgment. At your വീട്ടിലാണെങ്കിലും അമ്മ സഹോദരങ്ങൾ വഴക്കുണ്ടാക്കുമ്പോഴോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും കുട്ടികൾ വഴക്കുണ്ടാക്കുമ്പോഴൊക്കെ സംടൈംസ് the parents also may not hear the both sides. That may be unfair. That is not good. To be fair to both of you, he must listen to both of you and then decide who is wrong and who is right. Fairness means treating others the way you want to be treated. ബൈബിളിലും ഇതുപോലെ തന്നെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? നിന്നെപ്പോലെ നിൻ്റെ അയൽക്കാരനെ സ്നേഹിക്കുക. യേശുക്രിസ്തു ഇതുപോലെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? നിന്നെപ്പോലെ തന്നെ നിൻ്റെ അയൽക്കാരനെ സ്നേഹിക്കുക. അല്ലെ? മറ്റുള്ളവർ നിങ്ങളോട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുവാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നു അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ മറ്റുള്ളവരോട് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊക്കെ ഈവൻ ദ റിലീജിയൻസ് ഓൾസോ ടീച്ചിങ് ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ്. ഫെയർനെസ് മീൻസ് ട്രീറ്റിംഗ് അതേഴ്സ് ദ വേ യു വാണ്ട് ടു ബി ട്രീറ്റഡ്. വി ഷുഡ് ട്രീറ്റ് അതേഴ്സ് ഹൗ ദേ മസ്റ്റ് treat us. In that way you expect how we expect to be treated by the others. In that way we should treat the others. I shall read the fill up the blanks. Let us see. Mahadev was playing outside the house. The other boy was little bigger than, older than Mahadev. Mother broke the dash into two, chapati into two pieces. Mahadev gave the dash piece of chapati to his friend, bigger piece of chapati to his friend. Thank you for listening the class.